How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is the motorcycle group build put on from Cliff over at the GI Mechanic Scale Modeling. This is his shop card, and the description will be in the link below as always. And let's show you what I've gotten done. Alright, first of all, y'all know we built this right here. That's the 1/9 scale Revell of Germany, which was an actual Protar kit. MV Agusta 500cc 3-cylinder. There she is, guys. She's all done. You can see here, she turned out decent. Not the best, but she turned out decent. There's a lot of detail in this kit, and there's a lot of fiddly detail in this kit, but there will be build pictures at the end of this video, so stick around. There'll be snapshot pictures, so you can see the shocks right there. They actually work. It's got the chain. You got the oil cooler, and let's see. You got the 3 carbs right there for each cylinder. You got 3 pipes for each cylinder. There's 1, and there's 2 on this side. You can see right there, it's got all the hoses, your brake hoses. I can't take this off, but you'll see in the pictures all the detail of the engine and all that. See right here, you got the front brake hoses. Right there, the front suspension actually works, turns, and goes up and down. You can see the pipes maybe in there. I don't know if I can get a good picture of the pipes connected to the cylinders. There's the gauge. That's a decal. I didn't remove the decal. Just cut it from the board, the cardboard, the paper, whatever you want to call it, and just glued it in there and put the clear cover over it. You can see where all the throttle and the brake linkage and everything's hooked up. It's got the speedometer cable underneath it. I don't know if you'll be able to see. It's hard to see like this. But it sure was a fun kit. The decals weren't the best in the world. You can see there's a little split right there if it'll focus. It's hard to get those decals to lay down on these curves. That's a one big curve right there. Okay, there's just a little bit of a wrinkling right here, but in a split down here on this one, but it's not bad. It's not that bad compared to my last motorcycle I built, so I'll take that any day. That one laid down perfect. But there she is, guys. I hope y'all enjoy it. It's a short, simple, sweet video, but the build pictures are afterwards. I love these motorcycle group builds. This always brings me out every year. I've never been a motorcycle rider or a motorcycle owner, but man, I love these vintage racing bikes, and I love to build them. So thank you, Cliff from GI Mechanic Scale Modeling. I love doing your group build every year. Thank you very much, guys. Get over there and subscribe to him if you ain't already, and description be below. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.